Good morning, you guys. How y'all doing? Welcome back to the family channel and the crew. My name is Alicia. If you guys are new, I just got back in from Dollar General. I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm doing, but I'm going to do this quick little impromptu haul. I planned on going in Dollar General because I needed some containers to put my son water in. Because if you guys see, I'm kind of reorganizing his snacks and stuff. I'm going to show you guys all of this in a second, so it's all going to make sense. So I had to find some crates. I started a load of laundry too. So I had needed some more. So I was like, well, let me go run in Dollar General and see if they have any. And of course, our Dollar General never had anything. So what I did do, because it's just going to be an impromptu, I'm about to get these all washed and stuff. But what I did was got these containers. Of course, they're removable, so I don't have to use them. But I want to use them because what I'm going to do, I'm going to put his cookies on these sides here. And then his little fruit snacks I'm going to put up in here. And I got 2 of them. They was $9. And then I got an extra one. So I'm probably going to do the same thing, like his snacks and stuff. Just arrange up in here, and they'll keep them, everything fresh and stacked up together. And then these 2 here, of course, they was $1. They just for like his extra little fruits and stuff, his grapes, whatever it is. Or even sometimes I put like his Takis in here because I don't want to give him a lot. So that way I can control his snack size. And then I got these 2 little snap lid containers. And of course I can put his fruit in or, whatever he may bring that particular day. Because sometimes it's certain things that he'll have for lunch. So I got him 2 of those, and these was $1 each too. So I'm just going to wash those out and stack them up with the other containers. So now I'm going to show you guys the cabinets because I've been doing this all morning. First, I'm going to start over here. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I did not record when I was putting anything up because I did record a full deep clean of the kitchen. I didn't share when we moved out our stove or our refrigerator and swept and mopped. I did show when Jordan had swept behind the refrigerator, but I didn't show the stove because I had mentioned the guy was coming out to put our part on the stove, and he did come out yesterday and do that. Sometimes he wants pork and beans and weenies, so his pork and beans, all of his juices that I got from Sam's, well, it's not all of them, but I just have them stocked up from his fruit punch, orange and grape, his Nesquiks, his Mott's apple juice. I have his waters, and it's about 12 things. 3, 6, 9, 12 things of water. I have regular peanut butter, grape jelly, apple jelly, and then all of his Smucker's peanut butter back there. The Pop-Tarts, Jell-O, Rice Krispies, backup Velveeta, the macaroni, and backup puddings things. I'll grab a water out, throw it in his book bag. His lunchbox. So that way everything's here. I can just grab and go. So it's so much easier for us. And like I said, I'm about to wash these containers out. I was washing the rest of his containers that's kind of been in a cabinet and just been kind of closed up. And so, for what? I enjoyed. I'm sure you can drink some. And then, like I said, I'm going to wash these out and get these dried. Put his cookies and stuff in here and his snack stuff in here. And so yeah, so that's it. And then like I said, over here, all his Jell-Os with fruit in it. And then he has regular Jell-O. Some of them are over here. The ones that don't need to be refrigerated, that, came right from the store, that wasn't refrigerated, I keep out. But the ones, if they was in a refrigerator, can you turn it down, TV down for a little bit? For some reason, they commercials are loud. My refrigerator is not clean. It was yesterday. But Alicia did her some lunch preps. But normally, it's clean. Okay, so this is what I be hating when all this stuff fall over. And I don't know why it fell over. Mom life is never perfect, right? So his Jell-Os. His puddings, his yogurts usually sit on top, but like I said, they all fell over. So I'm just going to stick them right here for the moment. But as far as his healthier snacks, I'm just going to move these so I can show y'all. because I'm not doing all this editing, you guys. Like I say, this is real life. He has Jellos, Go-Gurts, yogurt, puddings. All these are the ones that was already in the refrigerator. So I just keep them in this container here. Y'all can see. And I just push it towards the back. And then he has puddings. This juice I put in there this morning. This is Mama's. So yeah. But like I said, I'm going to go back and fix this refrigerator. I did some strawberries and cut them up yesterday. He asked me for some watermelon, so when I do go back to the store, I'm going to get him some cut up watermelon. But like I said, other than that, that's pretty much as simple as it get for him. On the weekends, he drinks this apple juice. He don't drink his individual apple juices and stuff. I'll keep these out for him so he'll have for the weekend. So he got weekend snacks, and then he got stuff for school. And I know my girl Maria asked me if I can do a video for his lunch, and I got you. It's just he have not did a full lunch yet. Usually, because his days he'll eat at school. And then these are his little granola chewies. I'm going to put these in those blue containers that I showed y'all I got over there. These are ours for the house, marshmallows, all of his flavored waters. Y'all know I bought some from Sam's. In his Takis, he made him some for snack today. He just put them in a container and went on about his business. So all of these waters here, some of them came from Sam's, some of them I already had from Walmart, and then these two alkaline waters and his Gatorade. So we keep him stocked for water, and then we got regular water over there, and then we got regular water on the side of this washer. And like I said, they still coming to get the water. I called a lady yesterday. I left a message. She's supposed to be calling me back, but I'm gonna keep calling. I'm gonna bother them because they need to come get this refrigerator. I mean, this washing machine. And I don't think I showed y'all none of this because I stopped at the napkins. I had to get him some more napkins because, of course, he brings his napkins to school because they don't all the time have them. If y'all seen that other video I did, I told y'all his doctor had recommended the Neutrogena. So I finally was able to find a facial bar because at Walmart they had sold out. So I got it from Dollar General. I got me a thing of the Secret Outlast. And then they Secret dry spray. Smells good. And then for Philip's hair, I got him the Gold Series. This works really good in his hair. And for some reason, I haven't bought any more when I had ran out, but I went on and got it today because, excuse me, this moisturizes his hair so much better because he got really curly hair. And if you have real curly hair, sometimes you know it'll dry out really quick. So this is the one that's infused with argan oil. And then I also got him the leave-on detangling milk. And the Garnier, I love to use Garnier shampoo and conditioner in his hair and in mine. And this is the Moroccan argan with the camellia oils. And this smells really good. Normally I buy it from Walmart because you get a bigger bottle and you pay maybe $5. But this one was only $3 for a 12.5 ounce. So that wasn't bad. And then I got him a thing of double stuffed Oreos because he'll bring these for snacks. Let me go ahead on and finish up with this because we do have, what you call them people? Pest, animal, and it's not animal control. Like the pests, you know, the regular pest people who come out and spray. They will be coming today. And then it'll be annually, you know, like they'll come every 3 months or so, 6 months. However it is, it's quarterly. They come out and they spray. So they will be coming and treating our yard and all that stuff. If y'all haven't seen this video, I will leave the link in the description box below. I posted it yesterday and it is on our second channel, so y'all go check it out. It's the BB brand. I got 3. One of them I have on now. I got the black on now, but they had black, gray, and pink. It came 3 to a pack and they were $16.99. And then I purchased me just some t-shirts. They was $4.99. I got yellow, lime green, pink, and black. I got them all in a 2XL in order for them to fit. And then I got these 2 cute little shirts. I'm sorry I'm going fast, y'all, but like I said, I'm trying to just get my stuff done.